Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a PvP client. First, choose a powerful game engine or framework that supports real-time multiplayer interactions. Define your client's core features, focusing on performance and user experience. Next, set up your development environment, ensuring you have all the essential tools and a reliable version control system in place. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth and efficient development process, saving you time later on. Now, let's dive into core features. Implement low-latency networking to ensure player actions are instantly registered, minimizing any perceived delay. Focus on optimizing your rendering pipeline to achieve consistently high frame rates, ideally above 144 frames per second, for a smooth visual experience. Crucially, integrate robust anti-cheat systems from the start to maintain a fair and competitive playing field for all users. These elements are vital for a successful PvP client. Next, focus on the user interface and overall experience. Design an intuitive interface that gives players clear information and easy access to all features. Customize visual elements and sound effects to create an immersive atmosphere, drawing players deeper into the game. Provide extensive customization options for controls, keybinds, and display settings, allowing users to tailor the client to their personal preferences. A great user experience keeps players engaged. Finally, rigorous testing and a solid deployment plan are essential. Conduct thorough testing across a wide range of hardware and network conditions to ensure stability and performance. Gather valuable player feedback through beta programs to quickly identify and resolve any bugs or usability issues. Plan for scalable deployment and ongoing maintenance, including regular updates, to support a growing player base and keep your client competitive. This ensures long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.